This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Oxygen sensors replacement. Upstream oxygen sensor. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Locate the electrical connector to the upstream oxygen sensor. Disconnect the connector. Using an oxygen sensor socket, loosen the sensor and unscrew it from the exhaust manifold. If you're going to install the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If installing a new sensor, it's not necessary to apply anti-seize compound because it should already have anti-seize pre-applied. Use the oxygen sensor socket to tighten the sensor to the specified torque setting. Reconnect the electrical connector and clip it back onto the bracket. Downstream oxygen sensor. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Locate the oxygen sensor on the exhaust pipe. Trace the wiring from the sensor to the electrical connector. Release the retaining tab, disconnect the oxygen sensor electrical connector, and free the wiring harness from any retaining clips. Using an oxygen sensor socket, unscrew and remove the oxygen sensor. If you're going to install the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If installing a new sensor, it's not necessary to apply anti-seize compound because it should already have anti-seize pre-applied. Install the oxygen sensor and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Connect the oxygen sensor electrical connector and be sure to secure the wiring harness into the retaining clip. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Release the parking brake.